literally burning when I close it. Oh my god, my head is super shiny. Please don't mind that. Nails check. Oi. And if you know me in real life, I'm not really a big reader. Hi guys. So today we're gonna do a glow up with me, but it'll be more of a self-care type of routine, but a little more special. We're gonna go more in depth. Today is one of the first days of fall. I want to come into fall feeling more refreshed, more ready for the fall season, feeling really tired recently, so I just want a little refresher, you know? The first thing I think I'm gonna start off with is my hair so I could take a quick shower. This is the clothes I was wearing to at work. Once I get home, I want to get out of this fit. So we're in my shower right now, but I'm just gonna show you the products I'm gonna use. I use this shampoo by Aussie. It's this multi-miracle moisture softness shine shampoo with pomegranate and shea butter, and I really like the smell of this one. My hair does feel a little bit softer when I use it. This is the hair treatment I use. This is from Korea. When I got my hair done, they were like hyping up the hair treatment, so I ended up getting it, and I do really like the smell of it. It's a trend with my hair care products. I just like the smell of it, so I continue using it. But I've had this bottle for quite some time now, and I've been using it 1 to 2 times a week, and I try to leave it in my hair for 10 minutes so that it can really work into my hair. My hair feels so soft after I use it. And for body wash, I just used nothing fancy, nothing too crazy. I also have like the hair scrubber. I just use this whenever my roots feel super dirty. It feels like it really needs a deep cleanse. I would use this and scrub my hair with it. That's my main hair care routine, so I'm just gonna get that done and then I'll come right back. Now that I am out of the shower, looking like a we're gonna finish up my hair care routine while scrubbing my hair really good just to get that deep cleanse. And then I got some of the shampoo in my eyes. Now my eye is literally burning when I close it, but I think it's fine. And don't mind the clothes on the bed. Just forget that it's there. I just use this I don't really know how to pronounce it. I don't know. It's this leave-in conditioner. Now, this is the sample size, but I really like the smell of it. Smell is a big thing with the products I use, I guess. I will spray this in my hair damp. I would apply a really generous amount of the leave-in conditioner in my hair just so that it gets all within my hair. I think it doubles as a heat protectant. Let me read it real quick. No, it doesn't say anything about heat protectant, but I think I made that up. Grandma's always telling you that you'll get headaches if you don't blow dry your hair thoroughly. I kind of think that saying is kind of true, because when I don't blow dry my hair, I do get a headache the next day. My hair care routine is fairly simple. I just don't really do much with my hair, and it also has to do a lot with my hair genes. My hair isn't that hard to manage, so I just do the most simple thing. But I've been trying to do more so that it's super healthy, shiny looking, but I don't really spend the time to research more about hair care products. If you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. I just used the leave-in. I used the highest setting with medium heat. So I get all of this dry as much as possible. And then I don't usually do my skincare routine after I shower because it's still day out, of course. I usually do my skincare closer to when I go to sleep, but I'll just use this Briotech topical skin spray, basically the hydrochlorous spray that was popping off on TikTok. This is just a different brand than the bacteria one. I forgot what it's called, but it's like the short stubby one. I like to use this after I shower and after I work out, so it kills the bacteria growing on my face. And to be honest, this kind of smells like toilet water. Kind of nasty, but that's just how it smells like to me. Besides that, I like how it's cleaning my face. If you ask me if I could see a difference in my skin, I won't be able to. I don't know if it's placebo, but I think it does help kind of minimize the breakouts that I have. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna do my nails, and they're really long, super uneven, natural. Oh my god, my head is super shiny. Please don't mind that. I'm gonna do gel because I have the little gel compartment thing.
My friend got me this nail clipper. It's not good though.
Quite rusty. I haven't done gel in a while because I don't have the time. I don't want to say I don't have the time. I never made the time for it. And also I don't want to keep using it because I kind of heard from a little birdie, aka TikTok, it can cause cancer because you're putting the UV on your fingers. So I do it occasionally when I want to feel a little fancy. So today is the day. I had 3 different colors that I want to do for a little autumn fest. First is this really really nice dark red color. It reminds me more of fall rather than Christmas because the color is super deep and dark. It looks like blood. This one is more of like an earthy color, very gray muted brown. The last color is a green. It's just like a nice deep green color. Leave in the comments which one looks the best. I'm probably gonna pick it within the next few seconds, but yeah, I'll let Angie pick for me. This is the current state of my nails. I grow them out really long because I want to try doing almond shape. I've never done that before and I've been looking at different TikToks on how to do it. I'm gonna try to do almond shape, but if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna make it short. I'll shave off, oh my god, this is kind of awkward. I'll shave off this side and shave off this side and kind of make a tip. People would put a dot so that you know where's the middle. You could shape it to that side, but I'm just gonna YOLO. It's probably gonna be uneven, but it's okay. It's coming together. Can you guys see that? Does it look really lopsided right now? It does not look lopsided in real life. Or maybe it does. Oh yeah, it is lopsided in real life. Okay, let me just fix this. Honestly, I think shaping the nail is what is the hardest because how are you supposed to make it all even, you know? Because you know how it's like different when you look at it like this way and then look like at it like this way, but this is how it's looking right now. It's a work in progress. So I'm gonna try to shape all my nails and then I'll check in with you guys. I finished eating and I also finished shaping one side of my nails. Not bad. I'm having a little difficulty with the right hand. Oh, Angie. Okay, so Angie's here so she could pick between the 3 different colors. One's a green, one's like a brown, and one's a red. Which one gives off the most fall vibe? The green. The green? Okay. The green it is. For my left hand, I'm really struggling. Just rubbing my nail against this to make it angular, and I'll round it on top after. And I'm not a professional at doing nails, so I'm just trying my best. I finished shaping my nails. I'm gonna wash them real quick because all of the nail shapings are everywhere, but they look kind of good. I'm going for almond shape, but they're kind of like soft pointed. Wash them and they look pretty okay to me. So I'm not gonna overdo it and shave it all down because I don't want them to like look super pointed. I'm gonna just start painting them. This is the lamp I use. I got this from one of my aunts, so that's where I got it. I'm pretty sure you could find one on Amazon probably. And yes, I'm doing this on the floor. You guys are literally on a party chair right now. My nails get ruined after I do gel, mostly because of the way I get it off. I think I just need to invest in a better nail care routine, I guess, because I don't really have one. Itchy. One hand done. I forgot to put on sunscreen on my hands, but it's okay. I'm gonna go in with the color. Here it is. I'm gonna have to do 2 layers. Remember when I used to get my nails done in the salon? My hands would get super sweaty. My hands get super sweaty for no reason.
Say it's because you have hyperhidrosis.
Yeah, I think I do have a hydrohidrosis or something. Gonna put it in now. I'm gonna put it in for like 60 seconds. The first coat is done. I'm just gonna go in one more time and then do my second nail. This is how it looks after the second coat. It's not as opaque as I like it to be. I might go in with the third one. I'm gonna just do my second hand first, and then if I do get lazy after the second coat for both hands, then I'll just leave it at that. I keep my right hand as to the minimum movement, and I just move my left hand. Not the sunflower seed. Finished the nails. Almost done with the second one. They look very nice. Some of the edges are like a bit messed up. Doing my nails, it reminds me of that one YouTuber. I don't know if she still makes YouTube videos, but her name was Cute Polish, I think. And I used to love watching her nail videos because she'll make like these little designs and they look so nice, but she made the instructions like so simple. I feel like getting your nails done makes you just feel so much more put together, even though it's something so simple. Nails, check. I just did my skincare and I decided to use toner pads instead of the face mask. These are the collagen ones. I'm gonna leave it on for like around 10 minutes. So I finished my nails. As you can see, very cutesy, but look at this. Bruh. I did 3 layers in total, so I don't think I cured it enough. While I'm waiting for this to sit, I brought this book so that I could read. My friend gave me this to borrow. I got like halfway through the book and then I stopped reading it for a couple of weeks, so I want to get on it again. I decided that I'm just gonna start from the beginning, and if you know me in real life, I'm not really a big reader, but I'm trying my best. I'm gonna try to read a chapter a day. I also have this Miffy little magnet bookmark from Daiso. It motivates me to read since it's kind of cutesy. Okay, I finished the introduction. I'm gonna just finish up my skincare. I'm gonna take these off. It feels so good to do skincare. So I'm done with my skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was quite a short glow up video. It's just little things that I don't usually do, like doing my nails. I feel very posh and very... I want to do stuff now. Remember to subscribe as well if you enjoyed this type of content. See you guys in the next one.